Assalamu alaikum. Today's my topic is coronavirus. This coronavirus is a disease or a divine punishment. Today, every country is closing its cities, closing the internal and external routes. Europe closed, America closed, Japan closed, Russia and India are closed. Iraq and Iran are now Pakistan. Even visiting the Kaaba, Medina Munawwara closed. Kashmiris imprisoned in houses for 300 days, 10 months. The prisoners bear the burden of the shutdown. Kashmiris have been imprisoned by the people for passing Modi's black law of Sabha. Millions of Kashmiris who are helpless and helpless. If they die, no one knows if they are wrong, because no one has access to them, but they have access to their God. His voice was heard by the Allah, and it has done to the injustice world as it did to Kashmir. They should with atrocities with India. Make India believe that it will give Kashmiris. Release them. Everything is off, but my door of repentance is open. His mercy is gone, but can return in the event that we all seek repentance. Bow down to your Lord, so that the punishment that has come down in the form of vices from the world will be over. Otherwise, remember that everything will be gone. If you think I have the truth, I am telling the truth. So please share this video so that the whole world will know the punishment of Allah. So first of all, free the Kashmir Muslims and save the world. Thanks to watch my channel.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करके हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के बारे में अपडेट जानें।